Alam mo, lately pumapangit ka, lately ganito nangyayari sa'yo, and you're always comparing yourself to other people, and all of these things are increasing your anxiety and increasing your stress. Moral mo bumababa, yung productivity mo bumababa. Kaya nga, gusto ko rin balansein, na hindi naman porket nahirapan ka lang sa trabaho, ay toxic na yung environment. Napansin ko lately na ang dali-dali natin bitawan yung toxic. Ang toxic mo. Ang toxic ng boss ko. Bakit? Pinagsasubmit ako ng report, kailan pa ba pinasubmit? Last month. Gagawal na ako eh. Toxic. Hindi porket nahirapan ka, toxic ang environment. Alam natin na may mga abusive and toxic bosses. I agree with that. Pero hindi porket challenge ka ng boss mo, toxic na siya. It's his job to challenge you. Yung trabaho at responsibilidad ng boss mo is to support you, yes, but also to challenge you. For you to become the best version of yourself. Kung hindi kanya pipigain sa tamad mong yan, talagang wala mangyayari talaga eh. Ito naman boss ko, minsan na nga lang magpe-Facebook. Hindi naman tayo binabayaran para mag-Facebook.